How to fix Indeed job searches app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have updated your Indeed app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Indeed. If it says update, then you have to tap on update and update your app. Once you have updated your app, head over to your settings, then scroll below onto apps. Here search for Indeed and tap onto it and tap on storage and clear the cache if you have any. Also, if it's not working, then you have to clear your Indeed application's data. In my case, I'll be using AR emoji app in order to display your Indeed. Now tap on force stop and tap on OK. Once you do all that, this shall fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.